The Toyota Innova Crysta isn't just a car, it's presence on wheels. One glance at the front and you're drawn in by its bold chrome grille, wide and commanding, framed by sleek projector headlamps that glow with authority. The sculpted hood flows with confidence, while sharp character lines run along the body, giving this MPV an unmistakable stance that blends elegance with sheer power. The wheels add to its dominance, bold alloys that ground it firmly, ready for any journey. The paint finish shimmers with a premium sheen, catching light in ways that make the Crysta look alive in motion. At the rear, the strong design continues. LED tail lamps, a wide tailgate, and sculpted edges that add a touch of athletic grace to its commanding presence. Every angle, every detail, speaks of sophistication and strength in perfect harmony. Step inside and the world transforms. The cabin greets you with seats designed for pure comfort. Plush, spacious, and finished with premium materials that make every passenger feel like a VIP. The dashboard is modern yet warm, stretching out with clean lines and a sense of luxury that is unmistakably Toyota. At the heart, the infotainment system shines, responsive, intuitive, and seamlessly connected to your world. Every control is thoughtfully placed, responding with precision to your touch. The steering wheel feels crafted for command, while ambient touches elevate the atmosphere, wrapping the cabin in quiet elegance. Space is abundant, every seat offering comfort and convenience, making long drives feel effortless. And then there's the drive, smooth, powerful, and refined. The Innova Crysta glides with authority, delivering performance that inspires confidence, while surrounding you in unmatched comfort. This is more than an MPV. It's luxury in motion, strength with elegance, and comfort designed for every journey. The Toyota Innova Crysta doesn't just take you places. It makes every drive unforgettable.